Welcome to my video on adding big numbers. Here in this example we have 123 plus 74. And notice how I wrote these numbers from left to right. And whenever we're adding big numbers, we want to write them from top to bottom. So let's erase these numbers and rewrite them from top to bottom. We have 123 plus 74. And after you write them from top to bottom, we put a little line underneath them. And underneath the line is where our answer is going to be. And one really important thing to keep in mind is to put your units in the same column. Notice how our ones units are in the same column, our tens units are in the same column, and the hundreds units are in the same column. So make sure you do this or else you will get the wrong answer. So at this point, I think we are ready to get started with our problem. So the first thing we're going to do is add all of the numbers in the ones column. So we have the numbers 3 and 4 in the 1 column. If we add 3 plus 4, we get 7. So in the ones column, in our answer, we're going to put the number 7. Now let's move one column to the left and do the same thing with the tens column. If we add the numbers in the tens column, we have a 2 and a 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So in the tens column, we're going to put the number 9. And now, last but not least, let's do the same thing in the hundreds column. Notice in the hundreds column, the only number we have is the number 1. But below the number 1, you can put an imaginary 0. And if we add these two numbers together, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So in the hundreds column, we have the number 1. So this is our final answer. 123 plus 74 is equal to 197. Let's go over another example. So here in this example we have 985 plus 92 plus 6 plus 23. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite them from top to bottom. So once again we have 985 plus 92 plus 6 plus 23 all written from top to bottom. And once again, don't forget to keep your units in the same column. Notice how the ones units are all in the same column, the tens units and the hundreds units are all in the same column. So once we do this, now we are ready to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add all of the numbers in the ones column. So we have 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. So if we add all of the numbers in the ones column, we get a number of 16. But notice how there's two digits for the ones column, and we only have enough space for one digit. So what we do is we take the digit on the left, the 1, and we're going to bring it and put it on top of the next column, the tens column. And now we can add this number 1 with all of the rest of the numbers in the tens column. So let's do this. We have 1 plus 8, which gives us 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So if we add all of the numbers in the tens column, we get a value of 20. Now once again, we have two digits, and there's only enough space for one digit in the tens column. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take the digit to the left, this number 2, and we're going to bring it straight up, and we're going to put it on top of the hundreds column. And now we can add this number 2 with the rest of the numbers in the hundreds column. So we have 2 plus 9, which gives us 11, and that's it. So for the hundreds column, we have a value of 11. And this time we do have enough space for two digits because we already added all of the numbers in every single column. So we can leave it exactly the way it is. This is our final answer. 1,106 is our final answer. So I hope this video gave you a better idea on adding bigger numbers. I also have a video on how to subtract bigger numbers. The link for this video is in the box in the top left corner. I also have videos on how to add decimals, and how to multiply bigger numbers, and how to divide using long division. The links for all these videos are also in the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see all my new videos, and I will see you in my next one.